So this is gonna be the overview my small shop, okay? Just an overview and show you something what I have inside here. Some material I'm gonna show you, like this is for duct, okay? We call this collar. So let's go into the duct. So that's the duct, okay? Flex duct. So that part, the collar go right here, and that's gonna be connect with the plano right there. We call plano this part, okay? It's made by fiberglass. There's the fiberglass, cut it off whatever size you need it to make a plano. From the plano go through the attic and has a distribution box where the airflow go through each room separate, you know. So let me go ahead here and show you more material. This is just overview, okay? I show you the plano, I show you the fiberglass you need to make it and make a box, well, whatever size needed, just like really like a knife, cut it off easily. This is one type of air conditioning we call water source heat pump, okay? That's one package. Everything it's one package on this air conditioning. Compressor, condenser, air handler, everything goes here. There's no separate unit when you talk about water source heat pump. Usually this is more for apartments, building, okay? So let's go. I'm gonna go talk to this one here later, but this is the air handler, okay? The air handler go inside the house, and that's just, it makes only two things happen: blow air, and the air and the gas, the freon refrigerant circulating in the coil, and the airflow go through that part and blow up and go to the house, okay? And that's mandatory, need to be working with the condenser. This is gonna be outside the condenser, okay? The condenser has a compressor inside and has a condenser fan, which is this guy, has a coil and has a contactor, capacitor, and a copper pipe. Not much things in the condenser, not complicate how you think. And inside the air handler, not too much complicate as well. So remember, the air handler and the condenser, they work together. Air handler inside the house, condenser outside the house.